Well, the girls are back in college, and Martha is busy for the next 2 days coordinating a wedding. Sounds like a good time to go to the mountains. So I'm going to do my first winter hammock camping trip overnight. I'm pretty new to hammock camping, and so I've never done it in the wintertime. It looked like a lot of fun. Thought I'd try it. So we've had a lot of snow this year. This is the same place I went snowshoeing back the day after Thanksgiving, and quite a bit more snow. Hiking is, I may have gotten a mile, maybe. I think it might be easier if I had trekking poles with snow baskets on them. It's 5 o'clock and the sun is setting and the temperature's starting to drop. It's now 32 degrees. So we'll keep track of how cold it gets tonight. It's supposed to get down in the 20s, and my sleeping bag, well, my quilt and my underquilt are rated at 20 degrees. So we'll see how it goes. What you're looking at is an alcohol stove fail. I could not get my water to boil because that thing sank down into the snow. So, not sure what to think about that. It started raining. It warmed up to 33 degrees and started raining. So I get to pack up a wet camp today, which is no fun, but I'll take it because I'm glad to be out here. All right, so here's my fix for my alcohol stove not melting down into the snow. I just put it on the back of my snowshoe. It's a nice stable platform, and I get to enjoy a hot cup of coffee this morning. It took me a while to find this campsite between these two trees, and the reason was not because I couldn't find two trees that were close to the right distance from each other, but on the hike in, the sun was hitting the trees, and there's been a recent storm, so there's a ton of snow in the tree, and it was melting and just dumping like an avalanche out of the trees. I had to kind of weave my way through sections of the trees on my hike in to avoid getting dumped on. When I was picking a site, I really wanted to try to find a site that would be minimize the risk of that. And I felt pretty good about this site, and it's really being put to the test. Now that it's warmed up a little bit, I think it's 34 degrees now. I'm hearing snow dump out of trees all around me. I mean, heavy snow. And I've had a few shots across the bow on my tarp, but they were small. Like somebody's throwing a little bit of a snowball at you or something. I'm glad I took the extra time yesterday to find these two trees. I'm going to try to follow my same trail going out. That way I can take advantage of the snow that was packed from my snowshoes on the way in, because I was breaking trail the whole way in here and I was exhausted. And so I'm going to take advantage of some of that packed snow on my way out. It was a lot of uphill here as well, so I got some of the advantage of gravity working for me on the way home. Hopefully it'll be not too wet on the way out of here.